everyone! It's me again, Teacher Mars. How are you today? I hope all of you are having fun learning at home. Today, we're gonna learn another lesson. But before we start, are you ready to sing and dance? Let's go!
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 hop. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies. Jump, little bunnies, jump, 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 little bunnies, jump, 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 little bunnies, jump, 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 little bunnies, jump, 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 jump. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies. Skip, little bunnies, skip, 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 little bunnies, skip, 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 little bunnies, skip, 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 little bunnies, skip, 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 skip.
Awesome! Now let's start our lesson for today. Last time, we talked about the farm animals and the things or the food that they give us. Today, we will talk about their babies. Do you know that animals have their babies, but they have different names? Are you excited to know their names? Come on, let's learn! Oh, can you hear the sound? I think they're just near us. Are you ready to see them? Now let's start. This is a cow. The baby of the cow is called calf. They live in the barn. This is a sheep. The baby of the sheep is lamb. They sleep in the sheep pen. This is a goat. The baby of the goat is kid. They kept in the pen. This is a chicken. The baby of the chicken is a chick. They stay in the coop. This is a duck. The baby of the duck is a duckling. They live in the pond. This is a goose. The baby of the goose is gooseling. They live in the pond. This is a pig. The baby of the pig is piglet. They sleep in the pig pen. This is a turkey. The baby of the turkey is a poult. They live in the farm. Repeat after me. Cow, calf. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. Chicken, sheep. Duck, duckling. Goose, gooseling. Pig, piglet. Turkey, poult. Great job! I have here a video of the farm animals and their babies. Do you want to see it? Let's watch this. Did you see them? Are they cute? Okay, let's have a review on the farm animals and their babies. I will show you a picture and you tell me the name of their babies. Are you ready? Let's start with great job! Today, we've learned the name of the farm animals and their babies. Now, are you ready to stand up and sing our bye-bye song?
Bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.
It's Teacher Mar. Thank you for listening. Stay at home. Bye-bye.